In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money using the Capitec app to another bank account. It's a quick and easy process, and it can be done and sound as you want. It's a special, complete. First, go ahead and open the Capitec app on your phone and log in using your PIN or fingerprint. Once you're on the home screen, look under the Favorites section. You'll see an option that says Pay Beneficiary. Tap on that. Here, you'll see a list of all your saved beneficiaries. These are people or accounts you've paid before. Tap on the name of the person you want to send money to. Once it opens, you'll see all their banking details, including their account number and bank name. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Just type in the exact amount, and right below that, you'll notice options like the effective date, beneficiary reference, and statement description. You can edit these if you want, but they're optional. Once everything looks correct, tap on Pay. If you're sending money from Capitec to another Capitec account, the transfer will usually be immediate. If the person uses another bank, you can choose between a normal transfer or an immediate payment option. Immediate payments reflect instantly, but may have a small fee depending on your account. After confirming, the payment will be processed, and you'll get a notification that your money has been sent successfully. Now, there's also another feature called Send Cash at the bottom of the home screen. Tap on Send Cash if you want to send money to someone who doesn't have a bank account or if you want them to withdraw the cash directly. The app will give you a PIN and deposit slip, and the person can withdraw the money at participating retailers or any Capitec ATM using that PIN. And that's all you need to do to send money using the Capitec app to another bank account. It's fast, simple, and super convenient.